I'm in a mood. I'm in an absolute mood, and I'm going to subject you to it because I remembered that I had this book on Bisque dolls, which I like the artistry of. However, I do not want one of these things in my home because they're a bit concerning. I mean, shit, look at the eyebrows on that thing. That's like fucking 2010s Instagram eyebrows she's got going on there. Dang. I like the clothes and stuff. They're pretty cool. Especially the crocheted stuff. I'd love to be able to do that. Why does her face look so old? Does that say baby? Like, ma'am, you are a full, like, retired old woman. You are no baby doll. I don't know. I just thought about reborn dolls, and I was like, I feel like I need a trigger warning every time that I see a fucking reborn doll. Now, I'm a doll person. We know this about me. However, look how fucking haunted that is. That is haunted as hell. I do not want haunted dolls. What the actual fuck? Are those painted on? That's kind of cute. But, girl, ew, I'm seeing like all the little details in the camera because I didn't hold the book that close to me. Oh my god. Flagged for nudity. I don't know. They're baby dolls, who cares? Oh, I have to link while I'm talking about this. Bisque dolls got onto my radar because I saw this person on YouTube who was restoring an old Bisque doll. And I thought the process was pretty cool. It was like accidental ASMR. So I think I should link one of those videos below. And you can watch it if you want. Even if you don't like Bisque dolls and you like restoring videos, because there's like artist restoration videos that I think are really cool too. Really satisfying to watch. She's got some rosy ass cheeks. Damn. Oh, we've got some tutorials here. Very neat. This person at the yard sale that I got this from had a lot of dollhouse miniature books too that I picked up. But this was the only one about different types of dolls that I collect. Is that crochet? Something like that. It's very cool. Making your own clothes for your dolls. Or perhaps yourself.